To fix gurgling noises from your toilet, checking and fixing your plumbing vent is usually the key to stopping those annoying sounds. First off, if you hear gurgling, you want to see if the vent pipe on your roof is clear, because vents let air in and out to keep water flowing right. If you find a cap on the vent pipe in your attic like you did, that could be blocking airflow and causing the problem. Removing that cap carefully is a good start, since it might have been a temporary test cap left on by mistake. Once the cap is off, you can use a rubber flexible coupling to reconnect the pipe securely. Also, make sure the vent pipe actually goes through the roof without any blockages. Sometimes debris or even bird nests can clog it. If everything looks good but you still get gurgling, check for clogs in the drain lines or the main sewer connection. Running a plumber's snake or calling a pro to inspect with a camera might save you headaches down the road. Keep an eye on slow drains or backups, as those often go hand in hand with vent issues. And remember, regular maintenance on vents and drains helps avoid these problems in the first place. One of the biggest plumbing vent mistakes is leaving test caps or plugs on after construction, which blocks airflow and causes toilets to gurgle or drains to back up. Fix it by cutting off the cap section and reconnecting with a flexible coupling. Another common issue is clogged vents from leaves, debris, or nests. Clearing those out with a plumber's snake or hose usually solves it. Third, improper vent installation, like missing or capped vents, prevents proper air circulation, so double check your vent pipes go all the way through the roof without obstructions. Addressing these problems quickly keeps your plumbing flowing smoothly and avoids costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. Contractors also benefit because it connects them with real customers ready to get work done on their homes.